Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikki. Today we're doing Nikki's Christmas Spectacular, where I try out the things I got for Christmas. And first I'm going to start off with this eye mask that keeps falling. I'm going to leave it on for about 10 minutes. But if you're new here, make sure you like and subscribe. I appreciate y'all watching, and on to the video. Now that I'm done with the eye mask, I just patted it in and my eyes feel cool and hydrated. For Christmas, one thing I did get, I got a big mirror, and I have it right here next to me. I'm going to use it to put on my makeup, and it has a small light around it. And I also got a ring light, which I'm going to mess around with the intensity and stuff until I get the video quality that I like. And I got some new sponges, some new brushes, new mascara. I got this under eye sponge. Woohoo! But the Rendezvous palette. And then I got another palette. I've never heard of the brand before. I don't know if it's even good or bad. But Kooky Cosmetics. I don't know. So let's start off with some eye primer. I'm going to do my eyes first just in case of some fallout. And we'll get started with some color and a New Year's eye look. Okay. So now that they're primed, first I'm going to take a white shadow and go all over my lid. I think we're going to do this one first, then this one, and then this one. Now I'm going to go in with the darker brown, which is My Treat, and this one was Our Secret. So Our Secret's above the crease. My Treat is going to be more in the crease. Let me use my Morphe M514 brush. Build this one in the corner of my eye. Fling it out and up, but I also have tape there. The black. So we'll see how that works. Okay, so now we got that. I'm not going to cut the crease. I'm actually just going to use the shimmer shade. I'm going to use it on my finger and then use a flat brush later to blend it out a little bit. So we're going to go with this color here called Want You Back. So now that we got this eye done, I'm going to do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back. I finished up the eye look. We're going to start on just a quick foundation routine. I'm going to use a cushion foundation just for lighter coverage. I'm not feeling like full coverage today. I have my beauty blender, and then I have my new under eye blender and my contour and highlight blender. So I'm excited to try those out as well. Camera stop. So now I'm gonna go in and just set my under eyes. I'm gonna use Coty Airspun and a Fit Me product. I don't always like a sharp contour, but I do bake underneath just so that it is a lot, so it will be lighter. And then the rest of my face I'll just powder on a little bit. Fit Me loose setting powder. Okay, so I normally go in with my butter bronzer, but we're gonna try out the new Kooky. This is Editing Nikki here. I realize my flashback is horrible in this video, so please, I know I need to fix my lighting. So that looks good, but it's not blended out, so I'm going to use a little bit of my butter bronzer and blend it out. Some blush. I always use eyeshadow. One thing that I've always been doing is I do my eyeshadow and then I do my face makeup and then I go back to my eyes to finish up. So looks like we're going back to my eyes. We're going to put on a lower lash line. So that with the eyeliner. I'm going to try to do my inner corner. So I did the sexy cat eye look with the winged liner, or the winged eyeshadow. I'm going to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. Also guys, I am working with some new products that I've never used before, so the outcome and the blendability isn't as great as I'm used to. So please take that into consideration. This isn't my best makeup look, but I really wanted to post. Okay, another product that I got was some mascara. Okay, now to finish it all off, I got some setting spray. It is a matte setting spray. Let's test the sprayer. Oh, it's really misty. Got one harsh line, but I just went for the New Year's vibes, just because black and silver, black and gold, things like that. But this is Sexy Cat Eye, dewy face, lots of glow to last the evening. Well, I hope y'all enjoy. Got to see some of my Christmas gifts. And if you have any suggestions for any videos or ideas, I do like short Instagram videos, so go check out my Instagram at Nikki and Dizzy. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye!